Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by updating both devices. Your iPhone and Apple Watch need compatible OS versions so Spotify can communicate reliably. Once done, install and sign into Spotify on the iPhone. The watch mirrors that session. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. These let the devices discover each other. Next, scroll to the available apps list and prepare to install Spotify to the watch, so playback controls and offline features can appear. You now install Spotify to the watch via the Watch app. Tap Install next to Spotify and wait for the transfer. Make sure you grant permissions when prompted: music control, notifications, and cellular access if you want streaming away from your phone. Once installed, open Spotify on the watch to confirm the app launches. If you plan to use offline playback, choose playlists on the phone and enable offline sync in the Watch app settings, so your selected tracks download to the watch storage for phone-free listening. Finish by testing controls. Play a song on your iPhone and use the watch to play, pause, and skip. This verifies the connection. If you wanted offline music, confirm the song's completed downloading and then try airplane mode with Bluetooth on to ensure phone-free playback. If anything fails, restart both your watch and iPhone, sign out and back into Spotify on the phone, then reauthorize the watch. This refresh often clears pairing glitches and restores proper control and sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.